Hey guys, Glenn here. I got something in mail today from Amazon that I totally forgot that I ordered, but I've been wanting for a long time, and as soon as I looked at it, I said, what is that? And then I remembered, it's my rotating display stand. Mirrored edition. Or is it? Let's open it up, see how it works. Okay, this is the box it came in. Let's open her up. Now, I did previously open this. It was just packaged just like this, and it comes just like that. Comes with this little mirror thing. It's a little flimsy, but you put it right on there. Alright, so came with these buttons here. This one on the left here switches it from going left to right. That one is the speed. And this one kind of makes it go from left to right over and over again. It came with a cord, but it had no plug with the cord. So you'll have to provide your own. Alright, I put it in my photo booth here, turn on the light, and set it up. Anyone guess on how many times I try to plug this thing in? Is it upside down? Oh. Is it? Yep, it was upside down. Put this death whistle here. Well, in fact, what I could do is put this crappy little mirror on. Boom. Now, start. Now, it has 3 different speed settings. I had to play around with this for a little bit to figure that out. And in order to turn it off, you have to hold down the R/L on the left side for a couple seconds, and then it will turn to green and turn off. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like if you're displaying it on the mirror, and I'm going to show you, which I think looks way better, is if you're displaying the object on just the white. But if you order the mirror one, it's actually, it comes white, but it comes with the mirror attachment anyway, so you might as well just order the mirror one, because you're not really getting the mirror without the white, and it's the same price. So alright, so this is the display on the mirror. I mean, you can zoom it up if you want to get rid of the rotating display, or at least maybe make it like a half moon or something. I move it up with the white, you'll see in a second. So you can play around with it, you know, make it closer, maybe lower. You know, I didn't really have too much time to make this video. I'm just trying to get it out to you guys before I start playing with this thing too much. I think the white looks better, but every situation is gonna be different. It looks great in this photo booth that I have, the 2x2 photo booth, which I have a video if you want to look for it. You can see the video of me rating this thing, which I love this photo booth, and there's a link in that video to buy it if you want to on Amazon. So here's my conclusion. Is it the biggest? No. Are the buttons easy to hit? No. Is the mirror a real mirror? No. But was it less than $20? Yeah, it was. So, in my opinion, if you're on a budget, or even if you're not on a budget and you just need an extra one, just to shoot once in a while, and you sell small things that'll fit on it, it's great for less than 20 bucks. It's a good deal. I'm probably going to buy a couple more that are more expensive and do some more reviews on that. But for now, it's better than nothing, that's for sure. And it's cheap, so what do you expect? So, if you want it, link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch this video next. Have a great day.